And welcome back to my channel. It is Reighn here. Thank you so much for tuning into another one of my videos. I know it's been a long time no see. I know it's been a long time no see, but we're back today. As y'all read the title, I am here in Chicago for the weekend. For those that don't know, Chicago is home for me, so I'm super excited to be here. I took a late morning flight out of Atlanta, and so I just got here. It's about 2 now, and I landed at about 12:30, but I'm in the hotel room. So like I said, this is home, so there is no big like woo-ha with this. I'm just here because my best friend is graduating with her master's this weekend, so we're super excited about that. So we're going to her graduation tomorrow, and then I will be leaving on Monday. With all of that being said, you're probably thinking, man, this intro is a little rushed. It is, because number one, I'm hungry, and number two, I am ready to go shopping. Okay, so I'm staying in downtown, but really on North Michigan. I'm in the Marriott on the Magnificent Mile. I'm going to give y'all like a little room tour before I go shopping. But yeah, so I've been plotting, so I want to be able to go and see these stores. And then we have dinner reservations tonight at STK, so I'm not going to eat too much because I know I'm going to eat tonight. But yeah, so I'm going to bring you guys along with me so that you can see a little bit of the shopping. But before we do that, I'm going to give you a little bit of the tour of the room. And also, this wig is giving me like Mary J. Blige of the 90s, but it looks a little raggedy because I just got off the plane. But look at my new sunglasses. I literally just got these, and I could not leave them at home because I feel like they're so fly. But yeah, so let me go ahead and give y'all a little room tour. Okay, so again, this is the Marriott on the Magnificent Mile. So you come in, there is a closet, of course, and then there is the bathroom. The Marriott always has really good bathrooms, standard like glass shower, whatever. And then I did get a city view, and I don't really like this view, but it's whatever. So you have the bed. I have like this little seating area, which I won't be sitting on, you know, because I don't know if it's sanitary. A little TV. A desk, which is good because I do have homework to do. A little chair, which is kind of cute. And then of course this is the view, and like I said, I'm right on top of North Michigan, so these are all the stores that I'm going to be going to. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, so there's a little, this is the Sephora, the UGG store, and then right directly underneath me is Nordstrom. So yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get ready to go, and I will check in with you when I am shopping. Devoured that sandwich and now we are in Nordstrom, and I'm about to start shopping, so let's see what we can find.
To me, told me you would never leave. Just words that you say, that you know you really do mean. All in my head, telling me what I wanna hear. Wish I could take it all back. Just give me back my feelings. Boy, you wasn't faithful. How could you be so cold? Lie right to my face, oh. guess it's too late. 'Cause now you say you wanna be free. How could I have stayed? Guess I was blinded by your company. Foolish of me. Just give me back my feelings. 'Cause boy, you wasn't faithful. How could you be so cold? Lie right to my face, oh yeah. How could you do that? Boy, you did me bad, bad. Gave you all I had. How could you turn your back and walk out on me? I gave you everything, yeah. Boy, you did me bad, bad. Gave you all I had. How could you turn your back and walk out on me? I gave you.
So I just went through the clothes section. Well, kind of like the junior, like affordable clothing section. And I didn't find anything at all. So now I'm about to go into women's and look to see if they have anything on sale. Okay, the women's section is way better. Like the first thing I saw when I walked down, this is so cute. With like a new turtleneck. I love this. I haven't showed y'all prices at all, so I don't really know how much anything costs. Let's see. Oh fuck no, baby. It feels so good to be home. Oh my god. You hear the beat of the drums?
I'll take you through it. This is I wanna be loved. Call me by my real name. Love me like your first love. Watch me bend and break. Tell me that I'm still enough. Say something poetic. Be so cliche, it makes me laugh. I'll give and I'm pathetic. That's how I wanna be loved.
I hope that you all enjoyed that little shopping bit. I did not enjoy filming it. It is bananas outside, and I feel like I had such high hopes for coming here and being able to shop a little bit more than I would in Atlanta. There's nothing wrong with the shopping in Atlanta. I just kind of feel like it's always good to kind of mix it up, because sometimes certain stores will get the same thing because of the region that they're in. And so when you step outside of the region, it's always good just to pick up a couple of things, because they may not ever reach the region that you're in. But yeah, so I didn't end up seeing anything. I had sorry y'all, it's a little dusty in here. But anywho, I had not ended up seeing anything. The first store that I went into was Nordstrom, and it was mayhem. The Nordstrom here, it's like this very big Nordstrom on Michigan Avenue, which is like downtown Chicago. Like I had told y'all before, they always are doing some construction, and I wish that they would stop. Like, there is always some construction. One year I came, the one year that I came, it was like they were redoing the Louboutin. Last year when I was here, I think that they weren't really doing anything, and now they're putting a Gucci store inside of the Nordstrom, and I'm like, there's a Gucci like right down the street. So it's a little crazy.
Who's gonna tear your ass up? So then we try. Singing it slow down because you want things to have fast.
Okay. Now what we gonna do? What you wanna do? A little.
You know.
Okay.
I mean, this is my better side. You know where the bob is heavy.
Right. Okay.
Bob. Okay, hold on.
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Woo!
Okay, now Tasia.
Okay, am I? Okay, y'all. I feel like this vlog is going to be all over the place because I was rushing before I left and I could not get any footage or whatever. I didn't even film me getting ready because I was trying to get ready so quick because I had laid around. Like, y'all know how you be like, oh, I have enough time to get dressed, and then you literally lay there until you're like barely making it. But anywho, we went to STK. It was my best friend. Her birthday is Tuesday and she is graduating tomorrow, or today, later on today, because it's already Sunday. It's like after midnight. But we went to STK. The food was okay, but the vibe was really, really good. Like, the drinks were really good. The vibe, the music, like, it was really, really cool. I've never really been to a steakhouse. I'm not really a fan of going to steakhouses just because I don't really eat red meat like that. Like, I have never had the steak, but I will eat like burgers here occasionally. And then this time I got a I keep forgetting what it's called. I want to say it's not a brisket. Yeah, I don't know what the shit is at this point, to be real with you. I had a lemon drop, and then I had a shot. They gave us these real big Don Julio shots. Oh my god, they were so good. And then I also had a watermelon spicy something. I don't even know what it's called, but it was good. So really am here for that. Love that for me. And yeah, so I am back in the room. I didn't even show y'all my outfit, but I just have on this shirt. I have a stand on this shirt, and I didn't even get to take a picture in it, but it's whatever. Sometimes you gotta live your life. You can't take pictures, but I have on this shirt, and then I just have on these coated leather pants. Those are my little hotel house shoes, because walking on the hotel floor barefoot is really top 10 nasty, but whatever. And then I just have on these shoes by Schutz, and they're super, super cute. So yeah, and then jewelry is really simple. I have on this ring by Tiffany, which I stole from my mom, and then I just have on this my Rolex. And then for the earrings, I have on my new Von Cleef, which this is the Malachite, I believe is the stone name. I don't know if y'all could even see, but it's green and it has the boning, but you can't see in this light. But yeah, so the outfit was really, really giving. This is a little bit something different, because usually I'm like a dress girl or whatever, but today I was like, listen, it's cold outside, I need to put on a pair of pants. But yeah, so that is pretty much it. It is after midnight. I have to get up tomorrow, and I need to submit an assignment before I go to her graduation, because if I don't submit it in the morning, I don't want to have to rush and come back here to submit it. So I'm going to go to sleep so that I can wake up in enough time to do that. And then I also need to kind of like straighten the room out or whatever. And yeah, and so it's already after midnight, and pretty much today is my last day. I'm here for Sunday, and we're gonna go to the graduation. We're gonna go to dinner or like lunch or whatever, and then that's pretty much for my little Chicago, you know, stuff. So I will see you guys later on this morning. I'm planning to record a reel tomorrow morning too, so I just got a lot of stuff to do. So I'm gonna get up, and this is not really like a relaxing trip anyway, but anyway, I'm gonna get up, I'm going to do my homework, then I'm gonna get dressed, and I'm gonna film my getting dressed process. And yeah, this hair is kind of cute, like all took behind the ear. I really love these earrings. They're super cute, and I probably should have done a whole video about them, but y'all know my whole little video thing is not really it's not giving what it needs to give, but whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm so tipsy. Like, I could just tell you that right now. Like, a lemon drop will get you where it needs to get you, and I'm not ashamed of it. I'm here in Chicago. I don't have to drive, so I've been Ubering everywhere, honey. She's been getting like all of the Uber Blacks or whatever, and I'm so mad because I'm like, I'm paying for the Uber Blacks, so literally like the restaurant was right up the street and it cost me like $30. But I really just don't care. Like, I really do not like regular Ubers. So this is just the life that I live. Like, from the airport, I feel like it's too expensive. Like, it's almost $70, but it is what it is. So yeah, so I'm just here, but I'm about to take this makeup off and take this wig off. I'm gonna go to sleep because I'm tired. I've been up. Like, I didn't really sleep last night for real. And yeah, so I'm taking off the lashes, which means it's really time to go. But I will see y'all later on today, like later on this morning. Bye, y'all. It's me here in my rarest form. It's been a couple of days since I picked up the camera, but the last that you saw was my best friend's graduation. That was on Sunday. It is now Friday and I'm here back in Atlanta. I came back and got right back in the swing of things, but I just wanted to pop on because I realized while I was editing this that I did not close this vlog out. But I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Please make sure that you hit the subscribe button because I will be back next Sunday with another video. Because why? Because she's being consistent. And so yeah, come back next Sunday. We'll be here. I have a little bit of fashion content for y'all to post, so I'm super excited about that. But all in all, thanks so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.